Going on, guys? Welcome back for another video on the channel. This one is a super quick one, but it's a super crucial one for all my boosted and I guess naturally aspirated guys out there as well. So I guess anyone with a car. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a manual DIY do-it-yourself at-home boost leak test. You kind of need a compressor. You can use, I guess, a bicycle pump. You guys can look into that method if you guys don't have a compressor, but a compressor is so much easier. So I'm going to show you the quick steps needed to get yourself set up for this test, and we'll get started. Now, the reason why we do this test is just to source out boost leaks if there are any leaks in the system. Obviously, boost leaks are no bien for naturally aspirated cars as well. Vacuum leaks, you know, those can be a big deal as far as your idle. You know, it could be a little bit crazy. So regardless, this will work for naturally aspirated and boosted applications. I already said that. I'm repeating myself. So why don't we just hop into it and get to work? All right, pardon the wooden rod, but I'm kind of in the middle of a video here and I'm just kind of thinking to myself, all right, why don't I just do this? I've been kind of wanting to do this again. We already did this plenty of times, but yeah, I know we've taken the intercooler piping off once or twice, so we might as well just go ahead and do it once more. Now, all you have to do if you are boosted, take off your intake. If you guys have a tube, take it off so you can get straight to your turbo. Now, you are going to need a coupler. Here is my little contraption. We made this actually in Kentucky, but this is what we're going to use. This is a 4-inch inlet on one side to pop on the intake side of our turbo. And then we have, you know, it can be whatever size, but it goes 3 to 4 inch. And we use this 3-inch with a little PVC block off plate, drilled a hole so we can fit a little fitting in here. And then that's our tester. So why don't we, I think I've already loosened this up a little bit. Turbo guard, pretty rad, check them out. Sorry for working one-handed here. Set that to the side. Now, what we go ahead and do is easy as 1, 2, 3. Pop this sucker on, if we can do it one-handed. Yes! Oh, no. Okay, hang on. Okay. What's up? Yeah. Yes! Okay, sorry for the filming's crap. Like I said, the whole production team is currently here. It's just me. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up and we will get to the test. All right, so now get your compressor, your hose. Now, for me, I'm just using a little nozzle. You can use any kind of, you know, oh, hey, a little vacuum nozzle. Now, you don't wanna obviously give it full bean. Just go ahead and kind of feather it. You know, that's about enough, like, you know, 10 PSI or something around there. Go ahead and, you know, it'll seal up because it's rubber. Bada boom, bada beam. Sorry, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold that there. We'll go ahead and give her some sauce, and we'll see if we can listen for any leaks. So it's gonna be tricky because this is kind of leaking a little bit. So, but yeah, let's get to let's do it up. Now what you can go ahead and do is get some soapy water, go ahead and spray all your couplers, all your fittings, everything that basically sees vacuum, your intake manifold, all those gaskets. And basically that way you can also see if there's air seeping out because it will create some bubbles in the water. So we'll go ahead and try that and see, just, you know, just for precaution, might as well, right? Here we have my ingenious, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and, you know, give her some soap. Well, actually, we'll just start with that. We'll see if there's anything going on over here. Looks like we're good. Do the discount double check, eh? Oh, look at that. There is a leak. You guys see that? Damn, okay. Okay, so we'll tighten that up. This is why you do these kind of things, guys. Little things like that. It's just little minor little things that will be affected in the tune. Not huge, but we want to seal those up. Alright, so once you guys have everything all buttoned up, snugged up, obviously run your test again, spray the same spot with water. We did so and got no more bubbles. Now, I'm not saying it was super loose, but it definitely could use some tightening up. I actually loosened it completely, shoved the whole pipe in a little bit so it wasn't completely resting up on the front here. Tightened it all back down, so now it is all good to go. The system holds air completely good. Everywhere is sprayed down. No need to show you guys the whole complete process that I'm doing. Obviously, you guys get the gist of it. You guys know the steps, super simple. This is stuff you can get at Home Depot. The coupler may be something you might need to grab online, so Amazon, eBay, maybe your local performance shop may have one. Well, depending on your inlet, I guess, you might be able to find some at AutoZone. So that's gonna be it, guys. If you guys enjoyed these quick little several minute video clips of showing just a quick little tip, technical tip, tech tip, whatever you guys want to call it, let me know, and I can maybe add one every single week if you guys would be interested in something like that. So drop it down in the comments below. So hopefully it helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.